What is the Pythagorean theorem? That's the question we'll answer in this video. We won't be proving the theorem or even working through examples of using it here. We'll simply take a look at what it states. So what is the Pythagorean theorem? Well, it's a relationship that's true for all right triangles, that is, triangles with a 90-degree angle. More specifically, it's a relationship among the side lengths of any given right triangle. The Pythagorean theorem basically states that if we make three squares based on the side lengths of a right triangle, and then find the area of each of those squares, the areas of the two smaller squares will add up to the area of the largest square. So for this triangle, if we add the two blue areas, we'll get the orange area. But wait a minute, how do we know that the orange square has the greatest area here? Well, recall that the longest side of a right triangle is its hypotenuse, which is the side across from the 90-degree angle. Since the hypotenuse is the longest side, it'll result in the square with the greatest side lengths, and therefore the greatest area. So we could say that the area of the two smaller squares will add up to the area of the hypotenuse square. And that's really what the Pythagorean theorem is all about. From here, we can see where the algebraic version of the theorem comes from. Let's represent the side lengths of our triangle using A, B, and C, where C is the length of the hypotenuse. Therefore, A and B are the lengths of the triangle's shorter sides, or legs. Once again, we'll construct squares on each of the triangle's sides. The square on the left side of the triangle has side lengths of A, so its area is A times A, which is A squared. Similarly, the area of the other blue square is B times B, which is B squared. And the area of the orange square is C times C, which is C squared. We've already seen that the areas of these blue squares add up to the area of the orange square. Therefore, adding our areas of A squared and B squared gives our area of C squared, which leads us to the famous Pythagorean theorem equation, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Sometimes this equation is written the other way around. That is, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. But no matter how this equation is rewritten, it always shows the same thing, that the area of the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the total area of the squares on the other two sides. And that is the Pythagorean theorem.